tell you how much of a long day it's been, y'all. We literally came from the beach and we got into a car accident. Had to wait for the tow truck to arrive. And the first time we was waiting on the tow truck, it's like they didn't even finalize the whole tow truck thing. And I'm just like, bruh. They was like, first of all, the car accident happened around 6. No, we wasn't at fault. We got sideswiped from someone running or whatever they did to the stop sign from here, and we was driving straight like that, and they hit us like this. If that makes sense. I hit my head against other passengers because it was 4 of us in the car, and then yeah, I have like a whole migraine. I have a whole headache. And ever since 6 o'clock, so the police came and everything, and I'm pretty sure you already know how that goes. Your girl didn't even eat all day. I didn't even vlog all day. Like, I was like, I just bring my camera around with me just to bring it in case, you know, whatever. I end up doing something spontaneous and I want to show you guys, so I end up bringing it. But this was not something I wanted to like record, but that happened. So yeah, that happened. So then they was like, they're gonna send the tow truck because the car couldn't drive no more, because one of like the front of the bumper was hitting on the tire. It was scraping it, so the car was not drivable. So we had to wait for a tow truck. So from 6 something, they was like, oh, the tow truck's gonna come in like an hour and 30 the latest. The time came, which was supposed to be 8:30 the latest. I was like, how about we call the tow truck company to see, like, you know, what's going on with the tow truck. Child poo, tell me how they didn't even register the whole entire process the first time. So then they was like, oh, we gotta send you a new one. Then we had to explain everything all over again, send all the details all over again. So then they was like, we gonna have to send you guys another tow truck or whatever. So there was like the estimated time. At that time it was 8:30, y'all. And then there was like the estimated time for the next tow truck to come will be between 10:15 and 11:30, 10:24. And they literally just pulled up to get the car. So we're waiting on an Uber in the meantime. And yeah, oh my god, y'all, car accidents are not, like, it's not a joke. It is so scary. Super, super scary. Let me sit down. Y'all really need to be careful how y'all driving. Like, please start driving for other people. Stop driving for yourself, because you're endangering people. Dang, like, who gave you your license? I really be wondering, like, where y'all get your license from, because some people just don't deserve to drive. Because the way y'all just be driving, Toyotas, the way y'all just be driving like as if y'all got your license from a flea market. Oh, thank God, God is great. God is great. Yeah, man, I'm tired, I'm exhausted. It's about to be 10:30. It was a beautiful Sunday too, but today was so hot and humid. I wish I stayed my ass home. The girl didn't eat. When we came from the beach, we went to the gas station to get some refreshers, and I got me like a sandwich because I was like, I need to eat. I'm hungry. I haven't ate all day. All I had was like some snacks and stuff, you know. The person was also safe. I don't know if I mentioned that also earlier. She was driving a nice car. I was like, dang, if that was me, I would be hot. But you did that to yourself, Pookie. Like, nobody told you. Like, first of all, why did you go? Why couldn't you just wait? You had a stop sign. Just wait for the cars to go and then go. What you was in a rush for? Like, was you pregnant? Like, somebody was in labor, you had to rush? Like, what's the issue? That's why I just be telling people, like, yo, like, I get it, because me, I'm a NASCAR race car. I like to drive and shit. And with that being said, sometimes when the 95 is clear, I like to put the pedal to the gas a little bit, you know, feel the power of my car. But I don't like do it all day, every day, and where it's unnecessary at. You feel me? Some people just be so in a rush to go to places without even being in a rush. It's like, and that really slowed me down because honestly, I have a Beamer and I just be haul-assing. All my cars are fast cars except for one car. I have a Beamer, I have a Benz. Those are two fast cars. And my Hyundai is not a fast car. She's a little older. So, you know, she could probably drive a good 60. My Benz, I can push my Benz, I can push my Beamer, and they feel really good when I drive it fast. But just because I have fast cars don't mean I have to drive fast. Like, sheesh. I literally, over time, as you get older, maturity kicks in, and you just realize, like, how lucky you are to have experienced being in car accidents and you come out fine every single time. And the light, you see the light? Aura. You know what I mean? Thank God, praise the Lord. Because there's some people who get into car accidents and they just sometimes don't make it out alive, unfortunately, or they lose a part of their body, or, and you know, and it's never the same anymore, you know. So it just really sucks. I'm just super grateful that everybody is okay. Yeah. So I don't know what's gonna go on with them because they was still trying to figure out who's at fault. I'm like, why y'all still trying to figure out who's at fault? Clearly we was going straight. We had the right of way. They had a stop sign. They was coming out of a plaza. They had a stop sign. What you mean who's at fault? Try to figure out who's at fault. She's clearly at fault. She's the one who had a stop sign. She didn't stop. Or if she did stop, she probably just stopped and went. I don't know. I was on my phone editing my YouTube, like my little YouTube shorts, y'all. It just happened so fast. It was so fast, so abrupt, so randomly, and I have a migraine right here because my head collided with another passenger's head. Yeah, it's ridiculous. So I just wanted to give you a little story time, a little insight on your girl, because yeah, y'all. So I don't know how I'm gonna feel after I go to sleep tonight. When I wake up, I don't know if I'm gonna vlog. I don't know. Maybe I need to get some days rest because one of the passengers was sniffling and sneezing, and I was kind of next to her, like the closest one to her, and my nostril is stuffy. Like can y'all hear the difference? One more time. Look. This is the clear one. This is the stuffy one. Listen. I don't want to irritate my nose too much. But let's just pray and hope that your girl don't get sick. Anyways, quick message to y'all. Just be careful. If you're driving, just be careful. And to my young ones starting to learn how to drive and finally get their car, and you just want to wild out because you got a car and show off to your friends, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. It don't matter. Probably them friends is probably not even going to be your friends in the next who knows what. And they probably gonna start to try to like stick around you because now that you got a car and act like, you know, they cared about you all along. You watch out, okay? Like, people are fake. Keep your eyes open. Like, watch your insects at all times. Like, for real, for real. Because people just be weird out here. Just be careful when you drive and be considerate when you're driving. Don't try to show off when it's traffic, when there's a lot of cars. If you want to push your car, I recommend that you push your car like 2 o'clock in the morning on a highway or expressway, wherever you live at. If you have a highway, expressway, whatever. And if it's safe enough and there's no cars, you know, push it for like a good little 10 seconds. Have a little feel, and then after that, just take a chill pill. Just slow down, you know. And then especially like if you have people in the car, don't be doing the most when you have people in the car. First of all, it's not only your life that you gotta, you know, care about, is you have people in the car. Now if something happened because of your stupidity and then you have people in the car and then something happens to them, you're going to carry that with you for the rest of your entire life, and then you're going to blame yourself because yes, it is your fault that you decided to be a hothead while you have people in the car because you wanted to show off your driving skills and how fast you can go and cut up in between cars, and then next thing you know, God forbid, but they pass away, and then now you carrying that burden with you. Is not easy. So just take a chill pill. Just relax. Know when to do it and know when not to do it. That's all I'm saying. Be considerate, be mindful of you driving. You're not just driving for yourself, you're driving for yourself and you're driving for others. Sometimes you have to be the big person. Okay, sometimes you have to press your brakes because you see somebody trying to do some up shit, and you're like, okay, let me check my rear view to make sure that I can slam my brakes the way I'm gonna slam my brakes, or merge to this lane, or if it's clear, because I'm gonna get out this person's way because this person is not being mindful. You know what I mean? Like, sometimes you just gotta do that. Don't be trying to like race cars either. Like, sometimes when you be driving and there be people side by siding you, so you know they said the Uber is 3 minutes away, y'all. So yeah, so when people be side-siding you, trying to race with you, like, don't tempt into that. And sometimes I be driving and people be thinking I be racing with them. I just be in my zone. I be chilling, blasting my music. I'm driving, you know, normal, and they just want to cut me off, and I'm just like, I'm not trying to race. Y'all never had one of those moments where you just in your zone, and obviously you're being mindful of how you're driving yourself, and you're being mindful about how you're driving with others, and then somebody just come and just cut you off and then line up with you, and then like, wait, what did you come for? Who are you? I was just minding my business. You got pressed because what? My car went a little bit faster than yours. I was in my zone. Chill. I'm not trying to race with you. Sheesh. That happens to me all the time. Beamer gang chronicles. You know, when you driving a fast car, people just swear that you racing with them. Anyways, Uber's about to be here, y'all, so I guess I'll just see you another day when I am all rested up. I am super hungry, so I'm probably just gonna go grab me something to eat. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog the rest of the night with the things that I wanted to do, because everything just pretty much got canceled for the rest of the day because of this situation. Oh, Uber's here. You know, so it was supposed to be a lot of stuff, the beach, everything, and everything just got like scribble scrabble. I'm just grateful that everybody is okay. That's all that matters. So here goes the Uber. Look like the Uber is coming out, y'all. Ooh, I hope it's a little Tesla. Hold on, I'm gonna vlog just a little bit in the car, y'all. Trying to get to the car. Oh, it's a Kia. It's giving electric. Thank you. Oh, hi. Hello. Hey, what's up, GemZ family? So I decided this video was already long enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue part 3 as the continuous vlog. I was just going to post this one by itself, give you a little story time insight of what went down this week. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video where you guys will see my actual vlog. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in time.